Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Rackspace VPS for high availability configurations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Rackspace account. Navigate to the Cloud Control panel. Select the Servers option from the menu. Click on the Create Server button to initiate the server setup. Choose your preferred operating system. Select the High Availability option if available. Assign a unique name to your server and specify the desired server size. Decide on the data center location for optimal performance. Configure the networking settings according to your requirements. Ensure to enable automatic backups for data security. Review all your selections before proceeding. Click on the Create Server button to launch your instance. Once the server is active, access the server's management console. Install the necessary software stack, such as web servers and databases. Configure your firewall settings to allow necessary traffic. Set up a secondary VPS instance to ensure redundancy. Utilize a load balancer to distribute traffic between the primary and secondary servers. Implement syncing mechanisms for data consistency between the two instances. Test failover procedures to confirm that redundancy is functioning properly. Monitor the performance of both servers regularly. Optimize server configurations based on observed data. Regularly update your server software to maintain security. Document your configuration settings for future reference. Consider setting up alerts for performance issues or downtime. Review and adjust your setup as your needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.